Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This video is about mechanical properties of solids, which is a chapter in class 11 physics. We are going to discuss two concepts from this chapter. One is stress-strain curve, which most of us get confused in, and the other is some extra relations which involve the Poissons ratio, that is sigma. First we look at the stress-strain curve. It basically looks like this. This is stress and this is strain. Now there are points labeled as A, B, C, D, E. You can see in the graph from O up till A, it's a straight line, and after that it's not a straight line. So A point is called the proportionality limit. Point B is known as the yield point, or the elastic limit. Now why is this point called the elastic limit? Because beyond this point, even if you make the stress 0, there will be some strain. So it won't return back to its original dimensions. It means it has lost its elasticity. That's why this point is called the elastic limit. And the stress corresponding to point B, known as sigma y, is known as the yield strength. Next we come to point D. Now this is the maximum stress that can be endured by the particular material, and that is why it is known as sigma u, or the ultimate tensile strength. Then comes the point E. Now the distance between D to E determines whether the material is brittle or ductile. I hope you know what is brittle and what's ductile. A material like glass, which breaks when pressure is applied, is brittle, and a material like gold or any metal for that matter, which can be made into thin wires, is known to be ductile. If this distance between D to E is large, then we say that the material is ductile, and if the distance is less, we say that the material is brittle. Now over here at point B, I have written strain 1%. Now this means that for a zero stress, there is 1% strain. So the material is said to have undergone a permanent set. Why permanent? Because it cannot return back to its original dimensions even if the stress is made 0. Also, point E is known as the fracture point. Because the material breaks at this point. So this was about the stress strain curve. I have just told the basic points, and that will be enough for the NEET exam. Now we are going to look at some Poissons ratio formulas. Before that, let us understand what is Poissons ratio. Poissons ratio is given by the symbol sigma, which is lateral strain, divided by longitudinal strain, or we can also write it as negative of delta d by d, where d stands for diameter, divided by delta L by L. Now why we use negative is because when we stretch any wire, if its diameter decreases, means its length increases, or vice versa. So when you take negative, then we will get this as a positive value. In general, the value of sigma ranges from 0 to 0.5. So now I'll tell some relations that include Poissons ratio, that relate the three modulus of elasticity, that is Young's modulus, rigidity modulus, and bulk modulus. One relation is Young's modulus is equal to 2 into rigidity modulus into 1 plus sigma. Another relation is Young's modulus is equal to 3 times bulk modulus into 1 minus 2 sigma. These are the two relations that involve the Poissons ratio. Another important relation is 9 by Young's modulus is equal to 1 by bulk modulus plus 3 by rigidity modulus. So in case any two of them are given, you can find the third one using these formulas. So you can get the quick answer in such cases. Hope you have understood whatever is taught in this video, and if you like the video, share it with your friends, and thank you for watching.
Please do like and share the video and subscribe to our channel.